Now this brings us to danced music or danced drama as a part of chapter 4 with the ballet. Now you already were introduced to a ballet in chapter 3 with The Rite of Spring. What an interesting ballet that was. It was very, very different when we think of the term ballet. So The Rite of Spring was very different. But ballet kind of got its origins in the 15th and 16th century in European courts, basically from France. King Louis XIV of France was very interested in ballet as an art form. And then modern ballet emerged in the second half of the 18th century. Ballet eventually kind of fell out of favor in France, and then we kind of move into Russia and Russian ballet. And that then leads us to Peter Ilyich Tchaikovsky, or P.I. Tchaikovsky for short, and the Nutcracker. Now, Tchaikovsky is known for Swan Lake, Sleeping Beauty, but he is most known for the Nutcracker. Now, although Tchaikovsky was important in these three ballets, in writing these three ballets, he really wasn't very fond of his ballets. He was more interested in his symphonic music of the time. But we can't talk about ballet without talking about Tchaikovsky, particularly the Nutcracker. This particular ballet is popular during the holiday season, the Christmas season. So in the Nutcracker, it was commissioned by the director of the Imperial Theaters, and it premiered in St. Petersburg, and it was part of a double bill, just like The Rite of Spring was. And this is based off of a story about the Nutcracker and the Mouse King. And now this particular ballet is in, it has the different acts to it, and the grand divertissement is a section that showcases dances inspired by various cultures, providing a colorful and engaging spectacle. So this is, we have the arrival of the land of the sweets, and this is the grand divertissement. Oh, I forgot. I'll try to find a different one. But let's look at the arrival of the land of the sweets. Let's see if that will showcase for us. Nope. That one won't showcase either. So I'll go in and see if I can't find some other ones. Now, why was the Nutcracker so popular? Well, though it had a lukewarm reception at its premiere, the Nutcracker has become an essential part of ballet repertoire, delighting audiences worldwide. Let's see if the Spanish dance appears. Well, I am very disappointed. I will get these updated for you. Okay. So in conclusion, we've seen how sung and danced drama evolved from the experimental efforts of the Florentine Camerata to the grandeur of Tchaikovsky's ballets. Artists like Monteverdi, Mozart, and Miranda have each contributed unique innovations, blending music, storytelling, and cultural commentary to inspire audiences across the centuries.